Hi guys, here is my 2015 Nissan Rogue, and I am planning to go fishing for Kokani to Biresal Lake, maybe for one night, and I think I will order the campground for one night maybe, and I am lazy to set up a tent, and maybe I will spend this night inside my car. What I did, you can see now. I put here some small mattresses, yes, and a sleeping bag. It's very good sleeping bag here, and it fits here good, no problem, with my pillow here, and I set up this head support vice versa, and now it support me here and that side too. I was now here and lay down. I am a little bit more than 6 feet, and I am good here when I lay down, and my legs here touch a little bit this door, but if I lay down a little bit like here, I don't touch my legs this door, and I think it will be very cozy here, very nice to sleep in this bag. What do you think about this setup? Have a nice day.